How to go from interested to successful in affiliate marketing. What do you know about affiliate marketing? Do you have a personal marketing plan? If you do you wish to improve upon it? Is what you're using working with your business or against it? If you cannot answer these questions confidently, look at the tips that are listed below. If you have a website for your business, your domain name should be on everything that you own. Use your own personal vehicle, t-shirts, stationery, email signature and more, to constantly put the name of your website out there. Constant reminders will stick in people's heads and make them want to look it up. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, search for affiliate companies that offer lifetime commissions. This will save you from losing commissions due to the time limit the affiliate company sets between the time that a visitor is referred from you to their company and when that particular visitor makes a purchase. Watch out for minimum rates. Some companies will charge you a monthly fee, but that fee may increase if they do not get the amount of buyers from your website agreed upon in your contract. Read carefully to find out what these fees are, as they are sometimes not clearly listed. At the least, you should annually perform focus groups with customers and site visitors. Focus groups give you a chance to see your audience and their physical reactions to your products or services. You may find that focus group members also have terrific new ideas that you would have never thought of on your own. Are you more informed when it comes to affiliate marketing? Do you have a plan or do you have a better plan now? Can you now use programs that work with you? Do you know how to properly apply your plan? With any luck, the tips in this video should have created better answers. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.